Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to put your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5 so that you can use the same skins, level and progress. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will need to understand one important thing. Fortnite progress is saved to your Epic Games account and not the console. So the goal here is to make sure that your Nintendo Switch Fortnite is linked to the correct Epic account and then sign in with that same Epic account on your PS5. So the step one would be to come here on your PC or on your laptop. Now you need to open Epic Games account. So when you come here on epicgames.com, simply log in into your account first. Afterwards, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then simply go to the settings of your device. Over here in the settings, you just have to look for the option of connections. When you are able to find it, simply check for the Nintendo section. Now, when you are able to find Nintendo over here, you just have to simply click on that, and then you just have to start with the process of linking your Nintendo account with it. When it asks you to log in, simply log in here with the help of your Epic account setup. Now the step 2 would be of to going to the PlayStation network. Now you need to download Fortnite from there, and when the installation is completed, simply open Fortnite and it will ask you to link or sign in. You just have to choose the option to link your Epic Games account there as well. In the next step, you need to sign in with the Epic Games account that is connected to your Nintendo Switch. Once the linking is done, your Fortnite account will sync automatically and you will see the same locker items, the battle pass progress and the status on your PS5. Now, if your PS5 already has a different Fortnite account linked, you may need to unlink it first in the Epic connections. Just be careful because unlinking can cause the item's access issues if done wrong. So only unlink if you are sure. After everything is linked, you just have to restart the Fortnite game once on PS5. Your full Switch progress will now be available on PS5. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.